Okay, quick video how to remove the radio navigation system out of BMW F01 F02. So you should know that before 2013 or the end of 2012 they had CIC unit. After that they switched to NBT unit. So this one is a newer module 2015. So but principle is all the same. So basically all you need to do first to remove this, pretty much in every BMW same thing. Always remove the upper panel, the central panel. It just simply pops out. Just wiggle it like this and it will come out easily. Over here you'll see again two screws, and as you can imagine the climate control goes in here, and that's it. Just put two screws here. This one just only holding up by two screws. It's pretty nice design, and you can see those poles. So it's simply click in here. Yeah, actually, if you never remove it, it's going to be really hard to remove it. But like I said, don't worry, just wiggle it, and it's going to come out. Using those plastic tools, sometimes they leave like traces, so I don't use them. But you can use them if you want. So that's it. It's pretty simple because some shop charge like almost $150 to remove it. So I'm just saying, save yourself some money and remove it yourself. If you have any problems with the unit, let us know, because we repair this unit, pretty much any units, and not that many can repair it. We can also upgrade it to NBTU as well. Okay, thank you.